Hey guys, so spend the day with me. I have a few things to get done, so I'm gonna go get ready and start my day. So I have dance rehearsals, I have to go get a bag for my pixie gift, and I have a few more little errands to run, so let's go. Alright, so I ordered an in drive because I am going home first. I go home, I go church, go collect some stuff. Then I come back here. Alright, so I go church. I go and go get my clothes and I go wear go church in the morning. So by I should be by 2:30 I should have everything ready. So yeah, no, as in by 2:30 5:50. But then no, me just walk with all of them. Me cut it out. So my in drive probably soon come. So catch you. Come carry some. Come and fix it. It fix. It fix. Come show the people them how you look. Come and fix it.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Life with Tajari.
No, I'm free. Here you are.
Like, comment, share, and
So
subscribe.
everybody put your ear in a one tomorrow.
Hey,
This looks
remember
so
this
cute.
is fresher than
Yeah, the too cute. No man, as in pull it back.
because let me tell you.
Hello, I'm watching this.
The Bible it big like elephant. When me a pray, me no elegant. For the man of it dead, me no hesitant. If you not talk about God, then bro, you no relevant. Jesus Christ are the hot topic, and I hate this boy can't answer me. Bible arrange like cheese patty. For Jesus Christ, me a man smarty. Yeah, ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
So funny how that's a record everything.
Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Okay, so I just got back to the apartment. The girls were downstairs swimming.
Yeah. Cool kids. The speaker was on that then.
And I'm gonna go up to the room, put down my bag, and then head out back on the road because I have to go get gift bag. Where you go, Lane Plaza?
And then we got Ligani Pharmacy. We have to go to the supermarket. We have a lot of places to hit people.
And I probably go probably go Starbucks. Starbucks still, if them still home, or we go Cafe Blue. Yeah,
One or
just
the two.
for a little drinky drink.
A little drink. Some Christmas drinks.
See me here. So the Uber came, and the Uber actually went inside, and we are outside. See Kelani come. Sukom. Pharmacy. Uber. Sukom. Yeah. Thank you. Should actually turn it around. So we're in Ligani Drug and what?
Pharmacy.
Drug
Garden
Garden
something like
Pharmacy. So we're at the gift bags. So I'm gonna get this one. But
Ooh, there's red. Which one do you prefer, the green or the red?
the green.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get this, but I probably going
You want like paper to go
come
into?
out and get. I'm gonna get the paper too. Think I'm gonna.
Okay, this is gonna be festive, y'all.
Think I'm gonna go get some else. But I don't want to get it in the pharmacy.
Where you want to get it?
I'm gonna look at one next local store.
You know where the store is?
No, but we're gonna look.
Okay, guys, we're going adventuring.
We're going to go adventure. And if I was a pixie, I know I would have get it at cup, but I'm not.
Tragic.
My Pixie is really gonna love her gift. I got her exactly what she wanted. So and more.
Because we're extra.
Everybody in the group extra. So
Very. Y'all, when you see this vlog and you see this picture reveal, you're going to be like, okay, we need to join this friend group.
no. Oh, thank you. This are today. The Pixie reveal are gonna be
Oh, a different.
a next vlog. So
Stay
when you see the
tuned,
next
people, stay
vlog,
tuned.
y'all gonna see that. So yeah. So we are currently at Hilo. I'm just getting white cranberry. Give me that orange mango too, please. Give me the bigger one.
Bigger one.
Down at the bottom. See it behind the cherry.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Thanks. We're just getting juice. And then we head back to the apartment. That's basically it. Because we got the gift bag. The other part of the gift that we wanted. So we're about to head back.
I'm going to get a regular juice and that's it.
Alright. So
Any three, there's like
Chips.
oh, what that?
I look for Buddha.
This is the juice, but this look like syrup.
It's like a dip on the next. Somewhere down there.
Alright, so I just got back to the apartment and I got green tissue paper, a body splash. It's a if from Bath and Body Works. It's If You Musk, and the other gift, I had to tie up the bag. So the other gift is another Bath and Body Works body splash. This is my perfume. This is my charger button that I was looking for. I got my Pixie a pair of Crocs. It was on her list, so I'm gonna pack her gift bag right now. So I'm gonna pull these out. So she wanted the eco clogs. I got them for her. I am praying they can fit her because they kind of look big. So yeah. So the sprays go in, and I'm gonna use the tissue paper to hide the actual gifts.
Yeah, ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. To win them soul, yeah, me ready. Say me bold and a lie, yeah, me very. Oh, when me steady, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. No, me no ordinary. I mean, no see no demon hard for me bury. Bible in a back pocket, preach in a black jacket. Holy Ghost hot like Scotch bonnet. Devil have to lift up like car bonnet. Go all in the darkness, me never have to use logic. God, I'm
Yeah, it's hiding it enough.
wait, so what you want us to wear?
So thank you guys for spending the day with me. I hope you guys like, share, comment, and if you're not yet subscribing, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and see for the other vlog. Bye guys.
Hosanna, 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 we make a chain breaker with you, got me safer. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna.